let us spend some quiet time this evening with a soft and very full peep. Look at her little crest. Yeah, Leela's getting a little crest. And she's going to have a chest frill. She's going to have just a little bit of leg feathering. This is going to be a very pretty peep. Several lovely embellishments. And there's Dodger. One of the little feral children that's just moved out, whom we will be keeping as a breeding bird, along with their sibling Alex. Again, proverbial shot in the arm to the Ramsay Lofts immunity, structure, health overall. What a bold little man. What a bold little peep who has come down. What a bold wee beep. And here's one of our boys that needs to find a new home. This is Sammy. Who hatched last Halloween. And Dodger's getting to know his way around. We think he's a little cockbird, but don't know. Beep, honk. Beep. I know, Leela. I know, Leela. I hear you. I hear that little girl say peep. And peep say. Keep saying, say peep. How full you are. Like a little window into her insides. Peep, peep, I know. Look at that, you can see the seeds. See the seeds right through her skin. Peep. Yeah, I know that's weird, I'm sorry. Minnie and Ellie are trying again. Delightful. I really hope they give me another peep with Sativa's structure. Kind of hope that one's the first hatch this time, because I would really like a peep with Sativa's structure out of them. God, they're so cute. My good Lord, they're so cute. She's very eager. There's a boy. It looks like it probably took. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh no. Y'all hear that squeaky Thistle? Thistle is losing his peep. That's where that Elliot sleeps right now. Because she's tiny enough to fit in there. Nobody else can fit in there with her. Lily might have actually managed to get Luxie today. We'll see. She's getting to the point now where she will almost let him finish. God forbid he doesn't finish immediately. She'll just run right out from under him. Is that a comfy Leela? Especially now that she's full. Good peep, peep. Peep. What a good girl. Honk. Peep. Baby, I don't think your mom and dad could fit anything else in you. You're very full. Peep. She's like, I'm awake. It must be food time. Peep. Peep. She's also very lovey if she's awake and away from her box. In her box, she's very defensive, which is fine. A not parent entering a baby's nest box is usually a rival to their parent trying to attack them and throw them out. So it's okay if peeps are not super friendly in their nest box. What really counts is how they act away from the box. And if they're relaxed away from the box, that's a good indication that they're, oh, I know, that they're just acting on instinct in the box instead of acting out of any kind of dislike. Peep, I know. Look at your pretty tail feathers. Look at your pretty tail feathers. Oh, hey, look. Your bands are coming in. Your tiny bands are coming in. Peep. Peep. Honk, honk, peep. Peep. There's that Dodger again. Back down to eat food now that he's actually got some space. Oh God, catching him is gonna be a bear and a half. But I may have to trim his little claws. They're very pointy. And he might get stuck before he wears them down on the rock. I know, I hear you, Layla. I know, I hear you, Layla. What'd you think of that, Dodger? That's more food than you've ever seen in your life. Lo and behold, that is more food than a Dodger has ever seen. Peep! A Dodger has never seen so much food. I see you up there. I see a little peep. Silk's still in his spot in the window. Well, getting the device is too hot warning. So in about 2 minutes we'll shut down. Please forgive the blowing noises in the meantime. Oh, Dodger sure says he's a boy. So we'll take his word for it. Yes, Layla. I bet you. Wonder that be? We're going to stop at the 10-minute mark today because of the device getting hot, unless it's decided it's done with that. Or let me rephrase to unless it's cooled off enough. Nah, I've got a lot of video today. Probably be best to go ahead and shut it off. Peep, I know. Pete. Pete. Alrighty. In addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices both in companion breeding and rescue work, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our wonderful patrons on Patreon. Peep, I know. The Friends of Our Business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. If you have suggestions on how financial support is used, I would really appreciate hearing about them in the comments. Thank you very much. Good night.